Hi all. Today we are here to discuss about the UI or user interface schemes and preferences in 3ds Max. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. First of all, we are discussing about the UI or user interface schemes in 3ds Max. This is the interface of the 3ds Max. Here in the tool menu there is customize tool. Please click the customize tool and we can see custom UI and default switcher. There we can see different types of initial settings for tool options like max Mendelray, max V-Ray, etc. For 3ds Max we select the max and there is a UI schemes list. We have chosen the default UI scheme. We can change it to AME light or AME dark. We can choose AME light UI scheme just for seeing. This is the AME light UI scheme. It is like a little bit light color. AME dark is the default, similar to the default UI scheme. We have chosen the default UI scheme as default and set. And then we are discussing about the preferences in 3ds Max. At the same tool customize, we can see preferences tool. We have to select it and we can see a page is open. Here files, please click files. There we can see a box convert local file path to relative. Please tick the convert local file path to relative in order to gain some files. That is, we have to tick this because in some cases when we are using another system for using 3ds Max, or we are already done a project on 3ds Max on a system and we have to change the file to another system. We just copy the file and used it, but in some circumstances our material library files or subfiles in the project or scenes in the 3ds Max will be lost. If you don't tick this convert local file path to relative, so to doesn't lose your library files, you have to tick it out. This is the preference scheme in 3ds Max. That's all about today's video. Thank you. Hi all. Today we are here to discuss